Hey there guys, how you doing? Welcome to this video. My name is Dan Ashendorf and today I've got something really exciting for you. It's a software, it's called Videtar. But what's really exciting about this, guys, and what's really unique about this, let me just say from the outset, there's loads of these around, but as you will see in just a moment, what this software does is not only does it create videos for you which look great, and you'll see an example in just a moment, but what it does is it doesn't just rank it, but it actually sends traffic. So it doesn't just post it on social media or whatever, it actually does some other cool things. It actually embeds and sends social signals to the videos. You'll see what I mean in just a moment. It's really cool. So this is called Videtar, and it launches on March the 16th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be looking at, I'm going to run a demo for you, and then I can actually do everything at the moment because my license key, so we're like 2 days before launch, and I'm not actually entirely set up because there's a few things that are just trialing out, just perfecting. But what we'll do is I'll run a demo, and then what I'll do is I'll pass you over to the product creator, and he's going to run some of the more advanced features in there. They're really cool, and I want you to see them. So we'll do that, and then but just before that, we're going to have a look at the bonuses, because that's always the number one that people are interested in. They want to know what they're going to be getting and how they're going to be getting some help to make money from this product. So let's have a look. Let's dive straight in and see what I've got in store for you. So by way of bonuses, what we have is, okay, so we've got my exclusive discounts. That's something I do pretty much regularly, and they are going to be deep. And the reason I give out these discounts is because it's just to make it more accessible to the sort of normal man on the street who wants to dip his toe into the internet marketing game. And you know that he might think that, or he or she, they may think that the cost is a bit prohibitive, and that's why I give discounts over and above any coupons that the product creator may be handing out. So this really makes it a lot more accessible. So, and I'm the only person who actually does that. So do purchase through my link. I'm going to make it a lot more accessible for you to actually get the product and start earning. So that's the bonus number one. And the second bonus I have for you is how to make $100 a day on Fiverr with Videtar. So one of the things you want to be doing with videos is you want to be putting it on Upwork or Fiverr and make some really good money. So you can make a couple of grand a month easy on Fiverr. And what I'm going to be doing is teaching you all the sneaky, all the unknown techniques to get your ranking up, to start earning very quickly with this system. So I'm going to teach you that, how to make $100 a day on Fiverr with Videtar. And then we're going to be looking at something called green screen mastery. Now, the reason I've got that on there is because one of the features is you can add green screen onto the video. So if you haven't got any experience with green screen, I'm going to teach you how to do that. I've used it myself a lot, but it's not just my experience. I'm going to show you how other very successful people do it, and we'll see how to make money with green screen, how to make sure that your videos are absolutely stunning. All right, so stunning videos means more money, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And then we got video ranking secrets, because you want the videos to rank. All right, so you don't want to just sell them on Fiverr. You want them to rank. Now, excuse me, in this video, in this product, you are going to be getting a ton. In fact, I'll give you a number. You're going to be getting 10,000 embeds. What that means is you're going to be getting 10,000 social links sort of pointing to your videos. Okay, that's part of the front end. We'll look at that in just a moment when we look at the demo. But in addition to this, something that really helps is things like backlinks and things like, for example, optimizing the tags and the description and all that sort of good stuff. Excuse me, let me just make sure that my video is working. My microphone rather, it seems to be on. That's all good. And so what I'm going to be teaching you there is video ranking secrets. You've probably seen my results. I'm usually at one of the top 3 on YouTube for many competitive keywords, and so I'm going to be teaching you how to rank effectively. And again, that's something you can actually go out, take, and start earning with pretty much immediately using the software. So begin that as well. Excuse me. And then I got something called Backlinks Sheriff. Now, the way that this works, it's a software, and what it does is you get a lot of unscrupulous vendors selling you backlinks, and you just never know how they're going to perform. So what the Backlinks Sheriff does, it actually goes out and checks on the validity of the backlinks to see if they're good, if they're still connected, if they have the right anchor text, which is the right sort of keyword. So all that sort of stuff is done automatically using Backlinks Sheriff. And again, I'm not sure I've said it right at the outset of this video, but everything you've just seen now is exclusive to me. So no one else is offering this, and that's going to really make a big difference in the results that you're going to be seeing from this software. Gonna grab a drink of water and we'll continue. Now, so we've looked at my 5 exclusive bonuses, but in addition to this, I'm going to be offering you there's another 5 which I don't have at the moment just on here, but you will see them on the link below. So when you click on the link below just this video, you are going to be seeing a lot more bonuses. I just don't have it at the moment because my landing page isn't ready, and I didn't want to go sort of cutting and pasting all manner of e-covers and all that sort of thing. So do have a look at the link below and you'll see another 5 bonuses. And in addition to this, the vendor has given me another 50 bonuses for you. It's all manner of plugin and ebooks and video tutorials. So pretty much anything that you need in order to start earning with this very exciting software, Videtar. So that is by way of bonuses. You won't find this sort of thing from any other vendor, any other affiliate. So guys, link below, jump on, and I'll see you on the inside. Now, what I'm going to do now is we're going to be running a quick demo, and then I'll pass you over to the product creator, and as I said, he's going to be looking at some more advanced features. So let me just jump onto my browser, and there you have it here, guys. That's the Videtar. This is the dashboard, and here you can see just how many videos I've had in the last 7 days, how many were uploaded, how many were created, and so on. How many searches. For some reason, I'm not scrolling down. I just need to grab it by the right location. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. There's quite a few videos on here, but we'll have a look at the various features first, and then we'll move on to the rest. So what we do initially is we look at, we do a search, an analytical search. So let me just show you what that looks like. So if I enter a keyword, say I go with one thing really important here, guys. I forgot to mention this. This is pretty much key to the entire exercise, is the fact, and this is something that the product creator, a chap called Yogesh, he's told me this, is what happens is we only pull the videos which are in the Creative Commons search. What that means is that they're not, there's no sort of copyright issues with them. So they're Creative Commons, which means that you can use them as if they were your own. So that's what the software does, is it just pulls Creative Commons videos. Excuse me. Right, so let's look at affiliate marketing. You know, I can never spell affiliate. Affiliate. That's it. No, that's not right as well, is it? Forgot an I. Let's try again. I think I might have got onto a loop. Okay, here we go. So I didn't actually spell it right, but nevertheless, it did come up with a whole bunch of videos. No. That isn't spelled right, but it looks like a lot of people aren't spelling it right. So actually there's quite a few results coming up. And what you can see here, guys, is a number of views, likes, dislikes, ratings, favorites, and all that sort of stuff. Okay, so that just kind of gives you a feel for the stats. And then what you can do, so after you've pulled out whatever it is you want in any niche, is you can fetch that video, so you actually download it, and then you can start to manipulate it. So I can download the video. Okay, so you just choose your keyword, and then it just allows you to download it. And then if you go into downloaded videos, you can see there's quite a few here. So all that does is it just downloads it into here. And then what's more interesting for us is how we start to manipulate that video, what we do with it. And where that is in the video lab. So let me just show you how that works. So what we do here, guys, so I just need to find a video. So why don't we call it, let's call it test, because I've already set one of these up before I went live. I always want to be sure that I know what I'm doing before I jump onto these review videos. I've already gone through it, so you'll see the auto kind of wording come up there. But anyway, so I can either add a video, or I can use Pixabay, or browse images, or just an inbuilt video. So let's just go with an inbuilt video, because that's going to be the simplest. And that's where that green screen I was telling you about comes into it. So let's use this man here. And we're going to submit. And then what you can do is you can cut from the end. So you can start wherever you want, and you can finish wherever you want. And then we're going to go next, and then you can either add, by the way, this is really, really handy because you can actually see where you are in the process. So I really like that. And then what you can do is you can either add your own audio, or you can just go with an inbuilt audio, and there's quite a few of them. Right, so you choose that, and then close. You got that track just in here, and then you go next, and then you select your background. So inbuilt videos. Right, so you can either got the inbuilt videos, which you can choose from here. That's going to take a little while to load up, so let me just navigate away from this. Or you can browse a background. Now I don't want to go with my one, so we'll just go with, or you can add a Pixabay image, so you can search on that. So I'm just going to go next for now, and then you can do a lower third image, so you can choose one that's already existing. So I've chosen that one here, and then you can use a watermark. So you can choose where you want the watermark to be, and then you can add it if you have one ready, which I don't. But anyway, you choose that watermark, and then you add the text. So we go with not that one. We go with hello, and then next, and then animated text. So hello again. And text for audio is how is it going, and then we finish, and then we just wait for it to render, and it just takes, it's going to take about 5 minutes or so to render. So I'm not gonna wait here, and this is another reason I wanted to show you the already prepared rendered videos. So we'll look at that just momentarily. So I have actually got a couple of rendered videos here for you, and so this is inside the video creator. We're not going to go to the video lab, but we're going to look at the recent videos, and so some of these are processing. But if we go, say, for this one here, right, so let's try this link here.
Looking for a good online marketer? Then get in touch with our diligent and professional team to find out more about our specialized services created to suit your particular needs. We are fully staffed with the most seasoned and expert professionals, guaranteeing you get only the best. We're eager and waiting to hear from you and answer any questions you may have on how we...
So what I like about this, guys, is the fact that it's Creative Commons. You can manipulate it, you can add your text, you can add your effects, and then you can use it as if it were your own. So that's really unique, and I have to say I really like that. So you do this, right? So you create your video, you fetch it, you search for it, you fetch it, you download it, you manipulate it, and then, so we've been through this creation process here, and then what you do is you stream it. Now, this streaming is not just any old streaming, because what they allow you to do is actually use different profiles that you have on YouTube and then stream it from there. So that's going to really add to your SEO. So the first thing you do is you add an event. So I don't know if you've ever streamed a video before. It's actually really simple. So I'm not going to go through this entire streaming process, but it just allows you to. So you put in the keywords, so you give it a title, and then you just go ahead and stream it live. And then what that does is it basically just it gives you an immediate boost into the, as far as the search engines are concerned. So it's really, really good from a ranking perspective. So I'm not going to go through this entire thing here, guys, excuse me, but you will see it in a live demo that I'm going to show you momentarily by the product creator. So stay tuned for that. And then, so you've got a number of the, so you've got your videos here, the ones that you've listed. Okay, so they're all here, so you can see when they're going to be streamed and if they've already been streamed. So you have that as well. Now, here is the really exciting part here. So this is what I was telling you about before about the network embed. So what that does is it basically sends social signals. So what it does is it puts links all across Web 2 properties, so social media, that point back to the video with your anchor text. And what that does is it really, really boosts your SEO rankings. And you get 10,000 of these as part of your front end. Now, I mean, I use it. I think anyone who is kind of serious about their videos or about their ranking uses it. Now, I use about 200 to 300 per campaign. So with this one, right, so you get 10,000 of them. So you get like 20 to 30 campaigns just as part of the front end. You'll see in just a moment the front end really isn't that expensive. So the value that you get from here is really, really high. And so that's what you do in terms of the network embed. So you go to the list campaign, and then you just put in the details, and off you go. And the software just embeds it for you. And then we have something here which is called the conversion booster. And what that does is it allows you to create sticky videos. So what that does is basically it takes the code, the video code, and it embeds it on your blog. So that's really, really good for SEO as well. And it's also good for increasing visibility, because what you can do is you can send that sticky video pretty much anywhere. So you get a lot more hits and views, and it's good from an SEO perspective, and also from a quality perspective, because it tends to convert well. As it says here, it's a conversion booster, and that's what the software does. Here you got your various YouTube accounts, and then you got a Pixabay image search, which you can use as part of the video, so you can actually embed it into the video itself, and that's your settings. And that's it in a nutshell, guys. So you got everything. So you got pretty much, it starts off with a research, and then you download the video, you manipulate it, and then you upload it, you stream it, and then you get a whole bunch of social media embeds coming your way and really pushing up the video up the search engine ranks. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to actually, do you know what, guys? Before we go into this kind of more in-depth demo, why don't we just go through the funnel, and then I'll pass you over to the product creator, and then you'll see the thing in its entirety, because it really is cool. And some of the features, as I said, I wasn't able to replicate today because I'm kind of jumping into this in the early stages. So let's have a look at so brief description, video research tool. This will instantly find viral videos for any keyword. YouTube Creative Commons search module. So I'm not going to read everything for you, just have a look and see what you think. And then you got the video editor. So we've seen all of this. And then you got the live streaming, which we've seen. And then you got the network embeds. So pretty cool stuff, right? And so that's going to go for $27, the front end. And then we've got, sorry, just ignore this, $15.75. So it's just going to go for $27 monthly. And there is going to be an annual option, but I'm not sure what it is yet. But we're going to go, for now, we're going to go for $27 monthly. And in this module, we will be adding more power into Videtar, and all limits will be removed. So users will be able to add unlimited YouTube channels and more network embed backlinks and much more. So you'll be able to upgrade everything you've just seen. And then you got something called the clip dramatizer. So more video effects, and it will make the videos go wow for a small one-time payment. And then we have OTO 5 for $67, in case you can't see. OTO 5 for $67, and that's called the Graph Player. And this is one tool that gets huge traffic, engagements, and sales from social media, and we are giving it for a very affordable one-time payment as part of this funnel. And then we have the reseller package. This OTO lets user buy the reseller rights to sell the front end of Videtar with 100% commissions, and rest of funnel at 50% commission. So you get on the front end 100% and the rest of the funnel at 50%. So you can literally treat this as if it were yours, and then create a simple funnel, drive traffic to it, start earning 100% on the front end. So guys, hopefully you found this of interest, and we're going to be meeting on the inside. You got my cool bonuses, you're going to have the discounts, everything you need to really start kicking the proverbial, as we say. And what I'm going to do now is hand you over to Yogesh, and we're going to be speaking very, very soon on the inside. My name is Dan Ashendorf, signing out. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, this is Vic and welcome to the demo video of Videtar. I'm super excited to actually share this great app. This is cloud-based and this is all-in-one video marketing toolkit. And why I'm super excited, now this is a great demo video because I'm going to show you all the inside powers of Videtar. So please pay close attention, as this is the only one-stop shop for all your video marketing needs. It'll get you unlimited free traffic, on complete autopilot. So let's get started. Now, with videos, we know that the video is hot and we can actually, make a lot of money, and that's the reason people are actually going crazy after video. So there are certain things that we need to, do. There's steps that we need to follow to actually get the best out of our video marketing efforts. Now, either you're an affiliate marketer or a local marketer, this is something which is pivotal for you. The first thing is you need to actually research, so the video research part is very crucial, whether that particular keyword is actually working well with videos or not. So you need to actually do the video research first. Then, once the research is done, you have your keywords, you've seen, what needs to be done. Then you need to actually create a video, right? And after that, once the video is created, you need to actually rank that video on page 1 to get that, free traffic. And what after that is rinse and repeat. So you can use the same strategy for product reviews. You can use it for your local marketing. You can use it for your product, services, your own products, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, anything that you can dream of. Physical products, absolutely, it works great, but you need to have all these steps. Now with Videtar, we actually created an all-in-one marketing toolkit. Okay, so here I'm in the dashboard of Videtar, and as you see, if you have one of our previous products, the interface is absolutely similar to all of them, so that it becomes very easy for any user to come in and get started. You don't even need any training video, to be very honest, to use this great software. So I'll just walk you through with the modules that we have. So first one, let's go inside the YouTube research. So we need to research a video. Okay, so let's say, for example, there's this great product from my friend Videopal, Todd Gross. So let's go and see what exactly is happening for this keyword. So what our software is going to do in the background, it's going to pull out all the important details, whether videos relating to this keyword are getting views, likes, shares, comments, what is the title all about, what's the description all about, and so much so forth. And obviously it'll give you the live link as well. So while we are talking, so this is actually doing all the hard work. So you can find out the products, and it took almost few seconds, and now we have all these great results. So as you see, when was this video created, the kind of views, this is good, it got great amount of views, other stats as well. So we know that this video is getting a lot of views. So for example, so this keyword, this product is actually a good product, so we can actually target, and we can create our own video and rank on page 1 of Google and YouTube using the power of Videtar. But we don't even stop there. So if you do not want to create your videos and you want some ready-made, done for you stuff, we have some unlimited supply right inside Videtar. How do you get that? So the next step, once you've understood the video research part, so next step, you come into the video feature, YouTube feature part, and then you come to this window, and over here what's happened is, if I again type, say for example, Videopal review, I need a Videopal review video. Okay, I don't want to create it, I want it. Videtar will go out there and find out all the creative comment videos relating to that keyword that you are free to use, guys, that you are free to use. So that's very important. So you don't even need to create your own videos. Now, not only this, we also, I'll be showing you in the next step, we are also adding some done for you green screen videos, inside our editor. So if you're into local marketing, you have those green screen videos, and there are a lot more that we have. And if you're an affiliate marketer, any other, marketing that you do, CPA marketing or physical products, anything, then you can actually use the creative comment section. So Videtar will find out all the videos that you can use. And as you see, I have all these videos that I'm free to use for my keyword. Okay, so it's video file review. So I just click on this, and over here I select download, I hit submit, so it gets downloaded on my hard drive. And there's some more cool features that are in the pro features. In the pro features, you can actually select multiple videos, you can merge them and download them, so it will create all the videos as one video. So this is good for, say, videos like funny pranks. Those are high traffic keywords, so there's so many ideas, and we're giving all those in the training area as well. So you can create different types of funny videos, you can create different amount of funny dogs, funny cats, pranks, blah blah blah. So that works great. Obviously you have different review videos, different you have songs, albums you can create, you can merge them and do whatever you want. So we are giving you all the power with just one click. So with this you actually get a video right there. You don't even need to do that, and it's all cloud based. Once you're done with the video, either you've created or you've selected one from our library, we move to the next step where we have our video editor. Now let me introduce you to the best video editor. It has the easiest interface that you can ever dream of, plus it's a green screen editor, and we have got everything covered that makes highly credible videos like lower thirds. You can add lower thirds, you can add animated text on lower thirds like it comes on the news channels, text flowing from left to right, right to left, stuff like that. Then you can add watermarks. So like the video that I just downloaded, for example, if I downloaded that video file review video, I'm just gonna put that right inside this editor. I'm gonna add my own logo, I'm gonna add my own lower third which says any call to action, I'm gonna add background music, I'm gonna add I can add if it's a green screen video, I can remove the green screen, I can add my own backgrounds, and we're giving Pixabay integration, so you can add as many backgrounds as you want from Pixabay. It's just a keyword away. You enter a keyword and you get all the backgrounds. Plus this is happening all on cloud. There's so much more that I'm going to show you right now. So let's get started. The first and foremost thing is on the first step, you need to give a title. Okay, so over here I'm actually gonna give a title. So once the title is there, I will select the video format, so I hit MP4. Okay, so once it's done, I hit the next button. Okay, so once I'm in the next button, so I can either add my own videos, or if you want, you can add images and create a video of your own. And for images, you can actually browse from our Pixabay images search. So for example, you don't need to do anything, so I say landscape. So if you want to just create different a video from different landscape images, you can do that. You can select any number of Pixabay images, and these are all royalty free, guys. You can have as many images as you want, and you are good to go. So so once you can just checkbox this and go at the end and just hit done. So the images will be added. You can add multiple images, and there's unlimited supply of these images. So that's the beauty of this great product. So but I don't want to do that. I want to actually create video from the one that I downloaded or the one that I created, and I want to add more credibility to that video. So what I do, I search a video and I click on add video. I go wherever I have actually saved that video on my hard drive, and let me just find that video. So I'll just take a sample video. So I just use this sample video, which is a short one. So what's it's gonna do, it's gonna add that video in the timeline. And as you see over here, I have a green screen checkbox here. So if I use I can have some inbuilt inbuilt green screen library of videos. So I have all these videos that I can use. We have a library of videos over here that you can use, and you can sell it to your local clients, as we are also adding the commercial license inside this software. So that's how cool it is. So we have all these videos right there, and we're keeping on adding all of them. So so if you're dealing with green screen, you can create unlimited variations of those videos. Just work for unlimited clients, and you can add unlimited different backgrounds for different clients, add their watermarks, add the lower text, and it's a highly credible video. Okay, so having said that, that's just one single feature, guys. So I'm sure you're gonna be blown away with all the things that I have for you here. Then what I do, I hit next, and this is where you can actually add your background music or your audio or stuff like that. So if I want, I can actually browse a background image. So if you're dealing with a green screen video. So once the green screen video is there, the best green screen editor that you can ever find is Videtar, guys. It's inside Videtar green screen editor. Why? Because with green screen editor we have actually created a technology which will actually work with any kind of green screen. It doesn't need to be very bright, or it doesn't need to be, you know, a high quality green screen video. Even a little dull video will work like wonderful with Videtar. That's why my team actually created this great software, so that you get easy access to, you know, unlimited supply of green screen videos. And then what you can do, you can add backgrounds. Once the green screen is removed, you can add background from Pixabay. You can add your own backgrounds. Maybe you have your client, they have given their custom backgrounds, so you can add that background, and obviously there's so much so forth. So that's how this background will work. So after you've added that, so we can actually add the lower third image. So we have some, you know, lower thirds here, so you can check box this and it gets added. So it's done. So hit next. And then what we do is we can also add a watermark. So we can add a watermark. We can also select the location of the watermark image. So for example, let me just take a logo from one of our products. Okay, and now I have this logo selected. So I hit next, and then what's gonna happen, so if I just forgot something, so I can go back, and what I want to do is I want to change the location of the watermark. So I want it on the top left, and then I hit next. And over here, you know, you can add any text. So this text will be actually something that will appear on the lower third. So there is a static text. So this is static text, or you can add an animated text. So animated text will move like, you know, it'll be a mark you from left to right, right to right. So the text goes here, and then again you can actually, you know, decide on which animation you want and how do you want and stuff like that. And obviously you can also select the color. So let me just select the color. So for example, if you select this color, I hit next. So I've added the animated text. If in case you just have an image, you want to actually have a text to speech, you know, so we've added that also. So you can add the audio here. You can select which voiceover you want from our library of high quality voiceovers, and you are good to go. Once everything is done, you hit finish, the video is created. So, and that's how simple it is. So that is the greatest coolest part, guys. Shows you have the video research module, you have the Creative Commons download section, you have the video creator right inside, video editor right inside, video whatever you call it, you know, so inside Videtar. So, and you have the green screen editor. So inside local marketing, you can actually, you know, blast with Videtar, and it's all cloud based. As you said, you know, the video is created. So I go inside, and as you see, it's showing as processed. And once your video is processed, it'll all come in this menu bar. So and then from here you can download it, and of course you can delete it. So this is just halfway of Videtar, and actually this in itself is a great product, but this is just halfway, guys. So we didn't even stop there. Once your video is created, you can download your video, or you can delete it from here. And then we actually didn't stop even there. The next step is you need to rank your videos, right? Because only then you get some link views and some traffic from YouTube. So what we have done is we've added a live streaming module here, and that is going to get you hundreds and hundreds of, you know, page one rankings in itself. So what we can do is, for example, the same keyword that we used, say Videopal, so that's the product name that we selected, right? So we found that this is a great product. We have these inbuilt SEO strategies there. So how do we create hundreds and hundreds of you know, page one listing? Is we've added, you know, prefix and suffix, a list of prefix and suffix. You can add it, you can add more, as many as you want, but we've already done the hard work for you if you just want to start right away. After that, you know, we also have this great strategy. You can add the description once, say this is my text, and you can actually add this to all the listings with just one click. So once you're done with all this settings, which is like hardly a couple of seconds, so you click on show results. Product is actually getting hundreds and hundreds of listings here. So all these will be live streamed on complete autopilot. The great inbuilt strategies that we have is the on-page video SEO optimization. So over here we see the text is there in the description and in the tags as well. Now you can add the video file from here. You can hit this checkbox and the video goes to all the listings, so you don't need to add it again and again. The same thing goes with the thumbnail. So you can add one thumbnail, you can hit this checkbox and it goes to all the thumbnails right here. So that's another great strategy, but we don't even stop there. So this is the coolest part. So based on the package that you have, so you can add multiple YouTube channel inside Videtar. And over here what you can do, you can select different YouTube channels for different listings, so the link juice will come from different channels. So that's cross a link YouTube channel link juice. And what we have here is amazing. Inside the description, obviously we've already added the text that we we wanted on all the descriptions, so that goes like that. Plus we've added the SEO strategy. So in each and every video, the description part, we will have the last URL and the random URL. So if you're selecting multiple YouTube channel, which you should, you will be actually getting link juice for your videos from different YouTube channels. Your video gets high authority in the eyes of YouTube and Google, because the link juice is coming from YouTube only. So that's how cool it is. And once it's done, so we have the scheduling options here. So over here you can actually schedule, and all the trainings are inside the members area, where you'll be actually finding out the greatest best ways and the strategies that you can use to just rank only using this particular module. But we did not even stop there. So we want to actually get you the best page one rankings, even if there's a high competition keyword which is which wants more backlinks rather than just having the YouTube backlinks from live streaming. So what we did is we added the network embed section right inside Videtar. Over here what you do is you go inside ad campaign, and you just need to give it a name, add the YouTube URL, and select some keywords and hit done. And that's pretty much it. All the training will be there inside the members area, but that's in a nutshell. What will happen is it'll get you thousands of web 2.0 embeds. It's thousands and thousands of web 2.0 embeds. Your video will be actually embedded on high PR and it'll be tiered linking. So for the live streaming module, you have the YouTube backlinking strategy going on with the optimization strategy on page and off page. And with this network embed, you have all the backlinkings coming from web 2.0 embed. So this is a great package in itself, guys. So you have the video research, you have the video creative comment section where you can actually download a pre-done video, you have the done for you green screen videos from the local marketers out there, you have a complete great video editor there. You can actually create even the downloaded videos from the creative comment section. You can create your own version of it by adding the watermarks, by adding the lower third images, animations, background music, anything that you want. Make it completely highly credible. And then once the video is created, you actually use the live streaming module and rank it, or get hundreds and hundreds of page one rankings. And of course with the network embeds, you get even more power to the backlinks. That's in a nutshell. And this is basically, I couldn't actually make it a shorter video because there's so much in it. Even as a bonus, we are also giving you video booster, guys. So what this is, conversion booster. So in this, what will happen is once your video is there, so you can actually create a sticky video, the same technology that Vimeo and other sites like even Facebook are using. So once anybody scrolls down on the page, the video will actually stick on the top or at the bottom, and the training is again in the members area. So right from the research to the creation to the ranking part, and of course with the conversion booster, you have everything inside one single app. And this is just one single product, guys. We could have given a complete funnel in itself, but we are giving this all inside Videtar. Videtar is going to terminate all the video marketing toolkits, and that's the name, Videtar. I am sure you love this, and this package is waiting for you. Get inside Videtar, and we'll see you in the members area.